no escape, the police.
Alright, so I got the probe up the tailpipe, so that way I'm able to use my dyno sniffer to be able to see the front cylinder AFRs. This bike does have a Thundermax in it, which is awesome. We love Thundermaxes here. We use them on every build we can, and they go on every one of our turbo bikes. Tunability is amazing, rideability is amazing, and it's just a really great product. And so I have the bike plugged into the computer. I'm pulling up the Thundermax program right now. And on our test ride, the Thundermaxes are always auto-tuning. They're always trying to find that perfect air-fuel ratio that you have set in there. This bike already had the Thundermax in it, so we didn't even touch anything with this new 136 in here. On test ride, it rode great, but I'm sure we'll see some sort of corrections in here from what the Thundermax was doing to correct itself. So we're gonna start making some pulls on this. We're gonna start with low throttle positions, start going 10, 20, 40, and up percent. We'll get to 100% throttle and see how air fuels are looking, see what kind of power it makes, and then start making adjustments and see how thirsty this thing is. Alright, so we just got done with this in the dyno. Once again, this is the new S&S MK136. This is the high output version with the 550 cam in it. We end up getting 147 horse and 157 torque out of it. So that's pretty good, especially for something that comes right out of a box.
Okay, so we set this bike up with our big, sexy, high output pipe on here. It's a 3-step pipe with a performance baffle. Also has our high output, or actually high input, big ass air cleaner on there. So we set this up with our product to, it's tested for a big motor because it's designed for the bigger motors. Came out real good, 140 foot-pounds of torque at 2 grand. So that's it. We got one of the first 136s in this thing. Put miles on it this morning when it was cool. Low RPM, modeled RPM, no load. Proper way to break these things in when they're fresh. And very, very happy with the results. So once again, this is Moose here at Trask Performance. We specialize in high performance builds, turbocharging, general maintenance for the most part. But yeah, you want to get going? Come see us.